Hi! How are you guys? I know it's been forever. Now I don't even have an excuse. Like literally, I got so busy and then I shot footage to put it here. I shot like a lot of content, 3 phones, and then my computer crashed and I lost my module. But guess what? We are back. I have my module back now. Because of COVID, unfortunately, it's bad, but the good news is that at least I have some time, and because of time, we are going to be doing some unboxing and reviewing of 2 Tecno phones, not 1 but 2, right? So we have this Camon 15. Yes, I know I'm late to the party, but better late than never. So I'm going to be doing this, and I also have Techno Spark 5 Air. So we're going to be getting into that in just a minute, but first things first, if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, kindly make sure you do subscribe and click the notification button to be the first one to get the videos as soon as we upload them. Told you we're going to be starting with our Camon 15 right here. This is the Tecno Camon 15. As you can see, it's very sealed, so we're going to be doing an unboxing real quick, see what the phone is all about. Okay, first things first, we gotta cut this part, yeah? Alright, so let me just show you a close-up of what the phone looks like. It looks like this. So here's a close-up of the phone. This is what it looks like. It has specs right here, right there, and right there. See? Okay, now let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we see when we open the phone is this case right here, and guess what we have? We have a phone case. It's a jelly case, it's colorless, so that's amazing. Tecno, that's some really good stuff right here. And guess what else we have? A tempered glass protector. We have a tempered glass protector for your phone, so that saves you some money right there. Yes, and then this is actually a SIM ejection pin right here. We have a SIM ejection pin right here. After that, we have a warranty card. Yes, so Tecno usually give 1 year and 1 month, 13 months warranty. After that, what else do we have? We have the phone right here. This is the IMEI number that comes with the phone. After that, this is what the phone looks like. But we're gonna be getting into the phone in a minute. Let's see what else the box has. Yeah, we have a cable. It's actually a micro USB cable right here. You can see that. And then we have a charger. It's a detachable right here. Yeah. So there you go. And then we have some earphones, some cool earphones right here. What else? Yes, that's what it comes with. Now let's have a look at the phone before we power it on. Oh, let's just remove this. Right? We're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna remove this as well. Right, the phone that is clear black. I like how dark it is, but the color of the phone, I know it comes with other different colors. This is Shoal Gold, but it comes with other different colors. It looks pretty slick, it looks nice. Okay, so what do we have at the front? At the front we have a speaker right here. Can you see? This is the speaker. This is the camera right here. On the top left side of the phone, right here, you guys can see we have our SIM tray. So we're gonna eject it. Yes. All right. So it's a dual SIM. 2 nano SIM cards go right here, and then this is for your SD card if you want to expand the memory of your phone right here, right? Okay, aside from that, on the bottom side we have a speaker, and then we have a micro USB port We have a 3.5 millimeter jack right here, and we have a mic. This is a mic right here. All right, on the right side, we have the power button. You guys can see that. And then we have the volume up and the volume down. At the back, what do we have? At the back, we have the logo, the phone logo right here. And then we have a fingerprint. So now at the back we have a logo right here, and then we have a fingerprint sensor, and then we have 4 cameras. We have quad cameras right here. We have a flash. We have a flash right here, and then we have the cameras right here. We're gonna be putting that to the test. But first things first, let's power the phone on, okay? All right, so first things first, since Tecno have given you a cover, always make sure you use that. Make sure your phone has a cover. I actually like this color. This is Shoal Gold, but the phone comes in other different colors. It comes with ice, jadeite, and of course fascinating purple. But let's switch on the phone and see what good stuff it has to offer. And definitely it's powered by Android. You guys already know that, right? All right. So on the phone gives you different features. It tells you don't remove the battery, don't do this or that, or you're gonna harm your phone. All right, the first thing we see on the phone right here, we can see it comes with very many pre-installed apps. But the thing is, you can always uninstall the apps you do not use, right? Other apps I'm talking about, like Chrome. We have Chrome right here. We have other interesting apps. Okay, so the phone has 16 megapixel camera right here. The front camera is 16 megapixels. Right here, you see? That is 16 megapixels camera. I'm gonna be taking some of the photos to show you what the phone has to offer. Right about now, let's just focus on that. It has a flash. It has 16 megapixel camera right here, and it has a flash right over here. Okay, at the back we have, the phone has 48 megapixels camera, and then we have 12 megapixels camera plus 2 megapixels camera and another 2 megapixels camera right here, and we have a flash, as you can see right here. So that's a quad camera. Let's have a look at some of the specification. All right, let's put face unlock to the test. I've already put my face, so there you go. Without the face unlock, if I turn the phone away, lock it, turn it away, it's gonna ask for the password. So the face unlock works pretty fast. Let's put the fingerprint sensor to the test right here. So the phone is locked. I've already removed the face unlock option, so let's take the fingerprint scan. It's very, very, very fast. Here, you see, it's pretty quick. See? Right, so here's the video. I'm using the rear camera. Right, I'm gonna try zoom in. That is 3.5 zoom, and then this is 1 times zoom. That is what the video looks like in low light. Here's a selfie video. This is what it looks like. Yeah, there's a bit of lighting in this room, but that's what the video sound quality sounds like, and this is what the video looks like. But there's like really low light. There's not a lot of light, so it's the audio quality and the video quality in
low light.
Right, so here it is. This is the Tecno Camon 15. I like it. It's not as heavy, it's small, it fits in one hand, so that's a plus for them. I like it. And given the specs that come with this phone, I'll totally endorse it because it goes for around 17,000 bob. With those specs, I think you should totally get a phone. If you want to upgrade your phone or just buy another phone, you know, I will recommend Tecno. The only thing I didn't like about the phone is that it's not fast charging, but then it has 5,000 milliamperes battery. It might take longer to charge, but then you stay with your charge longer also, right? So that's it from us right here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment below. Let me know which phone you want me to review next. I'm gonna try do it because I want to be consistent. I've been slacking, I've been sleeping, but I told you I got my mojo back and we're gonna be doing this. Also, click the notification button to be the first one to get the videos as soon as we upload them. Now, I did another unboxing and quick review of the Techno Spark 5. I'm gonna leave the link below so that you all can go watch it, and I'll see you in the next video. But make sure you stay safe, sanitize, wash your hands, because we still need you even after Corona, right?